Good morning, dear students. Last class, that is in previous class, I have finished the problems on subsets. At the same time, I have finished the problems on statements based on true or false. Today also, we'll solve the problems from exercise 1.3. Just first, we'll start the problem from main question number 3. Those problems are based on correct and incorrect. And after completion of that, we'll solve the problems on subsets, that is number of subsets. How many number of subsets we can write one set? About that today we'll discuss. Before that, we are going to finishing the problems on correct and incorrect of given statements. That is the first question. First question is main question number 3 here. Let A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma and one element 3 comma 4 and 5. Here 3 comma 4 is total one element here. Total one elements. Which of the following statements, which of the following statements, which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Or incorrect, why? Incorrect, why? The reason also we should write here, and which is incorrect. For that we should write reason also here. See, first question, first statement. Set of the elements 3, 4 is subset to A. Already I told in last class. Here 3, 4 is the element. Element to set is belong symbol must and should is there. Because set of the element 3, 4, they mentioned here an element of the set capital A. That's what here 3, 4 is there. We consider it is an element, it is not a set. An element means it present in set A means we must and should represent with belong symbol, but they gave subset symbol. Why? Because set of the element 3, 4 is an element of set A. That's what the given statement is incorrect. The given statement is The given statement is incorrect. The given statement is incorrect. Because set of the elements 3, 4 is belongs to A. Belongs to A means it's an element, but it's not subset. That's what I have written. Reason for this is because set of the elements 3, 4 belongs to capital A. Second question. Set of the elements 3, 4 is belongs to capital A. Belongs to capital means definitely it becomes an element of set A, because element is there. 3, 4 set of the element 3, 4 it is present in set A. That's why it is always an element of set A. It is always an element of set A means we must represent with belongs symbol. That's what the given statement is correct. The given statement is correct. The given 'statement is correct. correct means no need of writing the reason, because in the question which statements are incorrect, why? If they are incorrect, for that only we should write reason, but according to question. Correct means no need of writing a reason here. Next, let us we are going to moving to solve other questions. Next question is, third question is, set of the elements, B, 4 is subset to A is the correct. Why? Because they gave elements here. A is equal to, should write A is equal to here 1, 2, set of the elements 3, 4, 5 here. 3, 4 is an element. Set of an element is subset to A. That's why every element of first set is the element of second set. What they gave element, which type of element they gave in the first set, it is also an element of set A. That's why it is always subset to second set. That's what the given statement is correct. The given statement is correct. The given statement is correct. Is correct. Because we must introduce all the elements of this set here. Next, fourth question. For this, 1 belongs to capital A. 1 belongs to capital A. Of course, here 1 is an element of set A. That's why element to set we must represent with symbol belongs to. 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A, or set of the elements 3, 4 belongs to capital A. Like all these statements are correct. Why? Because 1 is an element of set A. That's what we can write. The given statement is correct. The given statement is correct. The given statement is correct. Fifth. One subset A. One subset A. Already I told you, element to set is we must represent with belongs. Only one element. It is subset to capital A because the given statement becomes incorrect. If they can put in flower brackets, if they can put one in flower bracket at a time, the given statement is become true. Like this. Statement will be like this, definitely it is always correct. But the given statement it is not like this. That's what we can write. The given statement is incorrect. The given statement is incorrect here. The given statement is incorrect. Is incorrect. Because 1 belongs to capital A, because 1 is an element of set A. That's what 1 is an element of set A means an element does not become subset to that set. That we are writing correct or incorrect. But if it is incorrect, that we should write reason. If it is correct means no need of writing a reason here. Now let us we are going to solving other questions. Next question is sixth question. Set of the elements 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 subset to capital A. Yes, the given statement is correct because already I have written the elements of second set A 1, 2, set of the elements 3, 4, 5. Observe here, every element of first set is the element of second set. 1, here also 1%. 2, here also 2%. 5, here also present. That's why easily we can tell the first set is the subset to second set. That's what we can write. The given statement is true or that is correct. The given statement is correct. The given statement is correct. Next, seventh question. Seventh. Set of the elements 1, 2, 5 belongs to capital A. I told you, just set to set means we must represent with the subset because between these two sets they gave belongs. That's what the given statement is incorrect. The given statement is incorrect. Given statement is incorrect. Incorrect. Because 1, 2, 5, the set of the elements 1, 2, 5 subset to A is always subset to A, but it does not belong to capital A. Next, eighth question. Set of the elements 1, 2, 3 subset to A. This statement is also incorrect. Why? Because 3 is not present, but set of the element 3, 4 independent 3 is they gave independently in the first set, but here 3 is not independent element in set A. It's combined with 4 and it forms a set at the same time. Set of the elements 3, 4 considered as an element of set A. That's what easily we can write. The given statement is incorrect. The given statement, further should write here, the given statement is incorrect. Incorrect. Because the reason for this is because 3 does not belong to capital A. Independent term. Only 3 does not belong to capital A. 3, 4. We are going to consider 3, 4 is one element. Not 3 is not an element of set A. Independent 4 is not element of set A. Just they gave here independent 3 here. 1 is there, but 2 is there, but 3 does not present. 3, 4 present. When 3, 4 present means we should not consider independent 3 and independent 4. That's what every element of set A is the element of set A. Then only we can tell it is subset. But one of the element 3 present in first set, but 3 does not present in second set A. That is independently you must consider here. Independently 3 is present in first set, but independently 3 does not present second set. That's what I have written here. 3 does not belong to capital A. Because of that reason only the given statement is incorrect. Now let us we are going to move into solve another questions. Next one is ninth question. 5 belongs to capital A. 5 belongs to capital A. But if you can observe the elements of set A, 5 does not present here. The elements of set A are 1, 2, set of the elements 3, 4, 5. But 5 does not present in that set. But they give in the statement 5 belongs to capital A. That's what the given statement is incorrect. The given statement is incorrect. Because 5 is not an element of A. That's what the given statement is incorrect. 10th question. 10th question is 5 is subset to A. So the given statement is true in case of 10th question. Why? Because when I told definition of subsets, under that I have given some important points under the note of subsets. They are null set is subset to every sets. And second point is every set is subset by itself. And third note is A is subset to B and B is subset to C, then definitely A is subset to C. Like that, I have given some important points under the note of subsets. According to those notes, we can write the given statement is correct. Why? Because null set or empty set, it is subset to every set. Null set is a standard condition in the case of sets. Standard condition like a standard formula in case of sets. That is, null set is subset to every set. That is, empty set is null set to every set. There is a symbol of empty set. 5 means here symbol of empty set or null set. At that they gave in the question null set 5 is subset to A. That's why the given statement is true. The given statement is true. The given statement is true. This is correct. Correct or true, both are given same meaning here. Next, let us move next question. 11th question. 11th question. Set of the elements 5 is subset to A. Is subset to A. Without bracket means it is the correct. A 5 is not an element of set A. 5 is not an element of set A. If every element of first set is the element of second set. But 5 present in first set, but here not present, because if you can observe the elements of set A, they are 1, 2, set of the elements 3, 4, 5. But 5 is not there. If 5 is present on both sides, easily we can tell 5 is subset to second set A. But 5 is present only one side, this side, second side, it doesn't present here. That's what here the given statement is incorrect. The given statement is incorrect. Because 5 does not belong to capital A. 5 does not belong to capital A. But have finished totally 11 questions I have finished 11 questions under main question number 3. Next, we'll start main question number 4. Write down all the subsets. Main question number 4. Write down all the write down all the subsets. All subsets of the following sets. Subsets of the following sets. Write down the following sets here. Subsets here. First question is set out elements A. First question is A. To this we should write subsets here. Subsets formula I told 2 to the power of n. The solution for this question is let's capital A is equal to set of the elements A here, and n of A is equal to 1. The number of power sets, the number of subsets of capital A is equal to 2 to the power of n, or we can represent with the 2 power m also, where m is equal to, small letter m is equal to n of A. Here n of A is equal to 1 here. That's what here we can write 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. That's what's here. 2 subsets will get here. Only one element is there. That's what for single term set we will say 2 subsets. One set is null set. Null set is subset to every set. And second set is every set is subset by itself. Every set is subset by itself. The first one is S1. S1 is the first subset is a set of elements A, and second subset null sets. Null set is subset of every set. That's what we can write power set for the says P of A. P of A is equal to set of all elements of set of all subsets is a power set, that is 5 set of elements A. It is the power set of A. Or we can write like this also. P of A is equal to set of elements S1, S2. Like that also we can represent. Only one element means n of A is equal to 1. That is 2 to the power of m formula. 2 to the power of m is 2 to the power of m. We are using this formula to find number of subsets to a set A. That is based on number of elements, we are getting number of subsets also here. Here only one element is there. That's what 2 power 1 is equal to 2. That is 2 subsets will get. And afterwards you arrange them within flower bracket, then that set forms power sets. Set of all subsets is a power sets. Now let us, we are going to move in to solve the second question. Second question is A comma B. A comma B. Under main question number 4, second question A comma B here. Solution for this question is let's A is equal to set of the elements of A comma B here. N of A is equal to here. N of A is equal to 2. Then you have to apply number of subsets of the set formula. You have to apply here. So let's show you now. The number of subsets. The number of subsets. The number of subsets of the sets capital A is given by 2 to the power of m, where m is equal to here, where m is equal to n of A here. This formula here you have to apply. Now, once I have to draw a number of subsets here, and which types of subsets you are getting here, one side you must calculate here and list of them now. 2 to the power of m. 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 to the power of square is 2 square is equal to 4 subsets will come. 4 subsets. 4 subsets from this set A is equal to here, set of the elements A comma B they gave here. With the help of these two elements of this set, A, we must give forms of 4 subsets here. First S1, taken one element at a time. Taken one element, that is A, only A is one subset. Set of the element A is the one subset. Next S2, second subset. Taken second element B, it is also one subset. Taken one element at a time, will get 2 subsets. They are A and B here. Next, taken 2 at a time. Taken 2 at a time means only 2 elements are present are there. That's what already we knew about some important points under the note of subsets. Every set is subset by itself. That's what we can write. S3 is equal to elements of A comma B. Next, last one is S4. S4 is equal to, already I told for this also under the note of subsets. Null set is subset to every sets. Null set means empty set. It is subset to every set. That's what we can write. S4 is equal to null set. Every set is subset by itself. Null set is subset to every set. Taken one at a time means we will get 2 subsets. Totally 4 subsets we are getting here. S1, S2, S3, S4. That's why here they gave only 2 elements. Based on the number of elements, we will get number of subsets. And before this question, they gave one element in that set. They gave one element in that set means we are calling those sets are singleton sets. To those singleton sets, we are going to getting only 2 subsets. But in this case, they gave 2 elements. They gave 2 elements means A comma B only. A comma B means N of A is equal to 2 here. That's what at the same time we have to apply subsets formula 2 to the power of m. 2 to the power of n means 2 square is equal to 4. This is the very important formula to find the number of subsets to any sets. When I told definition of subsets and definition of power sets, at the time I have given this formula, that is number of subsets to any set A is given by 2 to the power of m, small letter m, where m is n of A. N of A means cardinal number of that sets. Cardinal number of that set means number of elements present in that set. According to that, here we have only two elements. We have only two elements means we can write 2 to the power of m is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. 4 subsets. Yes, take one element at a time. A. Next S2, second element B, double elements B. S3 and S4, we can easily write every set is null subset to every set, and last S4 is null set or empty set is subset to every set. Like that, we got 4 sets. And finally, we must ensure list of them like this. Power set P of A is equal to, we can write like this. Set of A elements and another set of B elements. And last one is and one more is A comma B, and last one is final sets. These are all set of all subsets. Or you can write like this also. P of A is equal to S1, comma S2, comma S3, comma S4. We define for S1, comma S2, comma S3, comma S4 here. Like that, we are going to finding number of subsets to a given set. At the same time, like that, we are going to arranging subsets within the square bracket. If you can arrange the subsets within the square bracket, then those types of sets are called power sets. That today I have finished the problems on subsets, and before that I have finished some problems on correct and incorrect also. And which statements are incorrect, for those I have written reasons also. Like that, tomorrow, that is on next class, we'll solve some more problems on subsets. That is how to find the number of subsets for the given sets A. And after completion of that, we'll solve the problems on intervals also. Thank you very much.